Welcome back to Olsa Tools Gears and Grease, the podcast where horsepower meets hand tools and everything in between. Today we're talking about something that's a total game changer in the shop tool organization. More specifically, the Olsa Tools magnetic wrench holder. Let's be honest, how many of us have wasted time digging through a drawer full of loose wrenches just to find that elusive 10mm? Yeah, same here. That's where Olsa Tools steps in. The Olsa Tools wrench organizer is a sleek, heavy-duty solution designed to save you time, space, and stress. These organizers can hold both SAE and metric wrenches, and they're built from impact-resistant ABS plastic, so they're tough enough to handle real shop life. What I love is how low profile they are. You can drop them right into a toolbox drawer, or mount them on a wall, or pegboard, or just stick it to the side of your toolbox. Whatever works for your space. The design keeps your wrenches lined up perfectly, from smallest to largest. And the angled slots make it easy to grab and go. Seriously, no more loose tools rattling around, no more doubling up sizes because you forgot you already had a 13mm. And hey, if you're someone who takes pride in a clean, professional setup, this thing makes your toolbox look legit. So if you're tired of wrench chaos and you want to level up your workspace, check out the Olsa Tools magnetic wrench holder. It's not just about organizing, it's about working smarter. You can find it over at olsatools.com or hit the link in the description. That's it for today's quick pit stop. Be sure to subscribe for more tool talk, tech tips, and shop wisdom right here on Olsa Tools Gears and Grease. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.